Hello, beautiful people. It is your girl, Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back, and I see you are back. Thank you for clicking on this video. I appreciate you. If you located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in moving your body and getting a great cardio line dance workout, please contact me at 504-251-0674. So guys, this is the step-by-step instructional to Ssuld M3. I think that's the name of it. M6, I'm sorry, M6. So if you want to dance along to this line dance, the music is by Dalton, the producer, it's the remix. I'll post it at the end of this video, okay? So we can dance along. So make sure you click on the video at the end. Also, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience. We have not sold out. We still have registration available, and you can go to our website to register and to book your room at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Please share this information with your students, instructors, and students with your instructor, just in case they haven't seen it, okay? And I'll see you at the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. So let's get busy. So again, this name of this line dance is SS, which is Southside Urban Line Dance. Shout out to BRYAN and M6. All right, it's an easy line dance, and I think it's a perfect line dance, guys. Instructors, if you want to teach your students to do a step tick and also a weave, okay? So let's check this out. So stand on this side right here, facing in this direction. So it's basically only 2 parts, and it's a one-wall dance, okay? So you're gonna start with the weight on the left, and you're crossing over. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Here we go. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Step, tick, left, right, step, tick, right, left. So you step up on the right, tick, left, right, and then the left. That's it. Here you go, you cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 6, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So we cross. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Last step is on the left. Step up, tick, 1, 2. Step up on the left, tick, right, left. Okay? Then you're going to start your weave. Going to your left on the right leg. You step front, step, back, step, front. So basically, to explain it to you, those guys who don't know how to do it, this left leg is going to give you the direction that you're going to the left. So it always just steps over. But the right leg is the one that goes cross to the front, cross to the back, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, so the weight is on the left, you cross with the right. Front, step, back, step, front. Once you do this, I'm going to give me 2 step pivot half. Step pivot half, step pivot half. Once you've done that, we're going to do it moving in this direction. The left leg moving to the right. Front, step, back, step, front. Okay, from here, you rock up, rock back, and. So you rock up. 1, 2, back, 3, 4. And that's it. That's part 1. And you're going to do it on the front and the back wall. So let's put it all together. With our cross step, cross right over left, left over right, step tick on the right, step tick on the left, and do your weave. Moving to your left with the right leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4, tick, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Read 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pivot 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it back. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6, have 7, 8. So you rock up and walk easy. Right, left. From here, your weight is on your left, and you start again, crossing over. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, tick, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Read 1, 2, 3 and 4. Step pivot, 5, 6, 7, 8. Read 1, 2, 3 and 4. Up 5, 6, 7, 8. That's part 1. So part 1, you're going to do it on the front and the back wall. Part 2, real easy. Step drag up on the right, step drag up on the left. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Out and up on the right with the knee. Out and up, out and up. Right here on the left, go back. Left, right, left, tap. So step drag, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Left, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Out and up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock easy. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. So you do it easy, walk easy with your left shoulder coming back, half turn. Left, right, left. And you start, tap on your right, and bring it up again. So this part 2 is going to be on your front and your back wall, just like part 1. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Out and up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Easy. 5, 6, 7. Tap out on 8. So we did something a little different. When we first turned back, we just tapped because we was going up. Triple step, step, drag, triple step. Out and up, easy. Left, right, out, right. We're going out right because we need to cross over to start back over. Okay, that's the dance. That's part 1 and part 2. There's no tags, no changes, no bridges. You do part 1, part 2, part 1, part 2, okay? And you're doing both parts twice. All right, so let's go from the top, crossing over. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Tick 5 and 6. Do it again. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Tick 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Weave 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pivot 5, 6, 7, 8. Weave 1, 2, 3 and 4. Up 5, 6, have 7, 8. 1 and 2. Cross 3 and 4. Take 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Take 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Weave 1, 2. Speed it up. 3 and 4. Pivot 5, 6, 7, 8. Weave 1, 2, 3 and 4. Up 5, 6, have 7, 8. Up 1, 2, 3 and 4. Left 5, 6, 7 and 8. Out and up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. Up 1, 2, 3 and 4. Left 5, 6, 7 and 8. Out 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7. Out 8. Out 8 because we start back over again, crossing over. And it's the same thing. The music is the bomb. So is Ssuld, which is Southside Urban Line Dance. Get that number wrong, confused again. M6. Yes, Ssuld M6. The choreographer is BRYAN. Price. Shout out to you. And this music is by Tone, the producer. And the song is M6. The artist is Diatone, the producer and the choreographer is BRYAN Price. Guys, make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day live dance weekend. We're going to have a blast. I would love to see you there. Let's mess it up, Soul Line Dancing and myself. Please visit our website for detailed information, www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.